Welcome to the final day of our series on parallel universes. We've journeyed through theories, concepts, and bold ideas about alternate realities, possibilities that spark our imagination. But today we ask a critical question. Are parallel universes just science fiction, or could they actually be real? Can we find evidence to support their existence, or are they destined to remain theoretical? When we talk about parallel universes, we're walking a fine line between science and speculation. Theories like the many worlds interpretation and the multiverse theories from cosmology are exciting, but they also raise a tough question. Can we ever really know if parallel universes exist? Today we'll dive into what might count as evidence for these ideas, how scientists hope to test them, and why they continue to fascinate us despite the lack of hard proof. One of the reasons parallel universes are so captivating is that they answer questions that standard science cannot. Why is our universe fine-tuned for life? Why do quantum particles behave in such a strange, unpredictable way? These questions suggest that our universe may not be the only one, and parallel universes could be the answer. The challenge with parallel universes is that by definition, they exist outside our observable reality. But that hasn't stopped scientists from trying to find physical evidence. Some researchers have suggested that gravitational waves could provide clues. These ripples in space-time were famously detected in 2015, and since then, they've opened up a whole new way to study the cosmos. If there are other universes, it's possible they might bump into ours, creating distortions in the cosmic microwave background, an afterglow of the Big Bang. In fact, some scientists have claimed to find patterns or cold spots in this background radiation that could hint at collisions between our universe and others. However, these findings are far from conclusive, and many experts argue that they can be explained without the need for parallel universes. Another area where scientists hope to find clues is in the quantum world. Some researchers propose that experiments with quantum mechanics, such as the double-slit experiment, could reveal indirect evidence of parallel worlds. Remember how particles seem to exist in multiple places at once? Some physicists think this might be due to particles interacting with their counterparts in parallel universes. However, interpreting these experiments as proof of parallel universes is a leap. The double-slit experiment can be explained by wave-particle duality without needing other realities. But it's an area scientists continue to explore, pushing the boundaries of our understanding. Sometimes science ventures beyond physical experiments and looks to mathematics for answers. Mathematics is often described as the language of the universe, and in many cases, mathematical theories have predicted phenomena that were later observed. For instance, black holes were once considered theoretical oddities until physical evidence proved their existence. In the case of parallel universes, mathematical frameworks such as string theory propose multiple dimensions and possible parallel worlds. String theory, though unproven, is an elegant solution to some of physics' biggest mysteries. However, without experimental confirmation, it remains speculative. This mathematical backing offers hope, but is far from definitive. The scientific community is split on the idea of parallel universes. Some physicists argue that they're purely speculative and untestable, which means they don't belong in serious scientific discussions. For science to validate an idea, it usually needs to be testable and falsifiable, meaning we should be able to prove it wrong. Currently, we don't have a way to test the existence of other universes directly, which leads some scientists to view them as philosophical musings rather than scientific facts. Despite the skepticism, parallel universes have captivated the public's imagination for decades. They've inspired countless books, movies, and TV shows, from Marvel's multiverse to the many worlds in science fiction classics. These stories resonate because they touch on fundamental questions about identity, fate, and possibility. What if we could see other versions of ourselves? What if we could change the choices we made in this life? This fascination goes beyond entertainment. It speaks to our curiosity about the unknown and our desire to understand our place in the universe. Parallel universes offer a way to ponder what-if questions about our lives and choices, And in that sense, they serve as both a scientific mystery and a personal mirror. So, why do scientists continue to study parallel universes even if they might be impossible to prove? The answer lies in the nature of science itself. Science is a process of asking questions, exploring possibilities, and seeking answers, even if those answers seem unreachable. Ideas like the multiverse drive innovation and spark debates that push the boundaries of our understanding. By studying parallel universes, scientists are forced to tackle the most fundamental questions about existence and reality. Whether we ever find proof or not, the pursuit of these ideas helps us develop new theories, new technologies, and new ways of thinking. It's about more than just proving parallel universes. It's about expanding our knowledge and challenging the limits of what we know. In the end, are parallel universes real? As of now, the answer is we don't know. Theories like the many worlds interpretation and the multiverse from cosmology offer compelling possibilities, but they remain unproven. We may never have definitive evidence, or perhaps the breakthrough is waiting just around the corner. But one thing is clear: the idea of parallel universes challenges us to think bigger, to question the boundaries of reality, and to wonder about the infinite possibilities that might lie beyond. Whether or not they exist, parallel universes serve as a reminder of the vastness of the cosmos and the endless mysteries it holds. What do you think? Are parallel universes science or science fiction? Could we ever find evidence, or will they remain a tantalizing mystery? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the unknown.